So let's go ahead and download this. I'm going to click download. It will take us to the TinyMCE page, and I'm just going to go ahead and click the topmost option, TinyMCE 3.4.2, and I'm going to click download. I'm going to save it. So as part of the download process in my browser, the archive was unzipped, and so I have this folder here. You may need to unzip it manually if you don't have an unarchiver associated with that file type. What I'm going to do is right-click on this folder and select Copy. And then I'm going to go to my Sites directory, and I'm going to expand the Sites folder. Now, if you're not sure where your Sites directory is or where your Drupal directory is, go ahead and jump back to the videos in the introduction where we talk about how to install Drupal in a variety of methods and where you can find the Drupal directories depending on what method you used. Okay, so remember it was in Sites, All, and then it was in a folder called Libraries. And notice we don't have one of those just yet, so let's go ahead and create it. Okay, and now inside of this folder, I'm going to go ahead and expand it. I'm going to paste in our library, TinyMCE. Now I'm going to jump back to the browser, and I'm going to click back in order to go to our Wysiwyg configuration page. Now it says here that the actual library can be found at Sites, All, Libraries, TinyMCE. So far we're good. JScripts, TinyMCE, TinyMCE.js. So if we want to make sure that our folders got unpacked the right way, we need to look for this item right here. So let's go ahead and jump back to the directory, and let's expand TinyMCE, JScripts, TinyMCE, and then we see TinyMCE.js. So if we jump back to the browser, this should be right. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. And once we do so, we see a whole new set of options. We have a list of input formats here, and our installation instructions have been bumped down and collapsed. This means that we have at least one library installed. I'm going to expand the installation instructions, and you can see if we scroll down that TinyMCE here is now green. Okay, we can now set up a Wysiwyg profile.